Hey guys, how is it going? So I got two of the latest Tecno devices with me, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro and the Tecno Spark 9T. In this video, I'm going to be comparing both phones right from the unboxing experience to design, to cameras, to software, to performance, to battery, and everything else. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech, let's shoot. Let's start with what we get in the box. So first, the Tecno Spark 9T. Inside the box, we are first greeted with the phone, and oh my, it is so glossy. It is basically a mirror. Next, we get an MTN card to redeem 1.5 GB of data, the warranty card. Next, we get a plastic TPU case. It fits the phone, but it is a bit loose. Next, we get a 10-watt charging brick, wired earphones, Type-C cable, and the SIM ejector tool. So for the Spark 9 Pro, we get almost exactly the same thing except for the MTN card, and it's an 18-watt charging brick. So the Spark 9 Pro charges faster. The Tecno Spark 9T is so glossy, you can actually see my reflection on the rear of the phone. And I do not like glossy finishes, and this one is the worst of them all. It's a fingerprint magnet. Unless you are going to be using a case, be ready to do a ton of wiping. The Spark 9 Pro on the other hand is a matte finish, however the top part is glossy. It makes the phone look really cool. It's a matte finish, but it still felt so slippery in my hands. The camera layouts look identical, the Tecno branding is right next to it, and at the bottom we get the stop at nothing text. The external features on these phones are pretty much identical. To the right, we get the volume rockers and the power button, which is also the fingerprint scanner. They both work very well. At the bottom, we get the headphone jack, Type-C port, microphone, and the mono speaker grill. So both phones do not have stereo speakers. To the right side, we get the dual SIM card plus memory card slot, and the slots are different. Now at the top, we get nothing. The display on both phones look very similar when looking at it head-on. They are both 6.6 inches, they are both LCD displays, and they both still have that teardrop notch from 2019. The resolution is where things are different. We get 720p 90Hz display on the Spark 9T, but a 1080p 60Hz display on the Spark 9 Pro. Personally, I do prefer the 1080p 60Hz display. What about you? Which one do you prefer, 720p 90Hz or 1080p 60Hz? Let me know in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel while you're at it. That would be so awesome. So the Tecno Spark 9T will feel smoother and faster, but the Spark 9 Pro display will be sharper thanks to the higher resolution. For cameras, on the Spark 9 Pro we get a 50 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel depth camera, and an AI camera. On the Tecno Spark 9T, we get a 13 megapixel main sensor. So both phones have a 32 megapixel selfie camera.
With a 32 megapixel selfie camera, is rumored to be the ultimate selfie machine. Let's check it out.
Fireboy, the new Spark ambassador, seems to like the selfie camera. 2K resolution is the maximum on the Spark 9 Pro, and 1080p resolution is the maximum on the Spark 9T. So now I'm going to show you some samples so you can decide for yourself which one you prefer. But personally, I think the main sensor on the Spark 9 Pro is better, but for selfies they are pretty comparable. Hey guys, so this is a video quality test between the Tecno Spark 9T and the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. So do tell me which one you prefer. They both have 32 megapixel cameras. So which one looks better? Tell me which microphone sounds better in the comment section too.
This is better, you don't need any blind. Which product is that?
This is Spark 9 Pro. This is Spark 9T. And both of them have 32 megapixel cameras. Okay. For software, they are running on the same version, that's Android 12 on HIOS 8.6. They are the first Tecno devices to be running Android 12 out of the box. They both come with 4GB of RAM along with 3GB of virtual RAM, making a total of 7GB, which is really nice. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 and the Spark 9T is powered by the MediaTek Helio G37. The Spark 9 Pro is definitely the more powerful device. We've seen this processor on the Infinix Hot 12 before, so yeah, you'll be able to play games comfortably on this phone. Take a look at the Geekbench scores. However, the Spark 9T would have better battery life. They both have 5000 mAh batteries, but due to the MediaTek Helio G37 that is set to optimize battery performance, the Spark 9T would last longer. However, the Spark 9 Pro would charge up a lot faster, under 2 hours with the 18W charging brick, while the Tecno Spark 9T with its 10W charging brick would definitely take more than 3 hours to get full. So that's the end of this comparison. I hope this video helped you in making your choice. Do let me know if you would like me to do individual reviews on both of these phones, or you would like me to compare the Tecno Spark 9 Pro with the Infinix Hot 12. I think one is better than the other. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots, and you see me in my next video.